Okay, fine. See, for the time being, what we are considering, like, you can consider this is a plank, right? Plank generally 6 foot is there, so this is a plank, fine. And this you can consider big bully, fine. And this you can consider small bully of 3 feet. This big bully of the 7 feet, fine. And now, like, we are using these things. This is as a start line. It is also written start line. So here it is the start line, and here it is the this one is the finish line. So it is the finish line, and these are the two platforms. Like here, white platform also. When it is a white means you can stand, you can place the helping material. When it is yellow means you can stand on it, but your helping material should not touch you. What are the helping material? This plank, this bully, small bully, and also this rope. This rope, right? This is the rope. Sometimes it depend upon the structure. Sometimes you get the two rope, small rope. So we have taken this small rope, like denoting the small rope, and this one is a bigger rope. Fine. These are your helping materials. Fine. So we can consider. Like for our suitability, what we are doing, like we are taking these as a suitability. Okay. So now tell me one by one. Condition is clear to everyone. Here you are here, right? We can consider this as a person. You along with your group, you are here, fine. Along with your group, you are here. Now, now you have reached to this platform. How you have reached? That's very simple. Like with the as we have done earlier, with the simple bridging, with the combined bridging, with the cantilever bridging, and with the manpower. With this like this, with the cantilever, like 1%, 2, 3% you can put over weight, and then person can come easily. That is the first. Right now, the condition is that you are here, you are on this platform, and last man is here, right? Last man is here. Suppose this is the last man. Last man. This person is this man. Is last man. Fine. Last man is here, right? So you have to call this last man from this platform. This platform mean the same, because whenever you come to other other team member also come. So one person can stand here, two person can stand here. That's fine. So now I want the solution. How will you call it? Fine. Start one by one, but always start with the basic one, and then move ahead to the advanced. So we will take the basic one,
Sir.
and then we will add degree of difficulty by adding the color. Yes, Satyavrat.
Sir, we can tie the rope on the 4 legs and then put the plank and easily can
legs are yellow, because you have to start with the basic one. So directly going to the left, even before that, there are various solutions.
Sir, we can.
Sir, what is the name of the task?
Sorry?
Sir, what is the name of this GTO task?
Table, PGT. Progressive group task is a table.
Sir, GTO start with the PGT.
Yes. You tell me what are the ways to call the last one. We'll discuss this later.
Sir, we can tie a garland to the front of the table.
Garland to the front of the. Okay, garland is not there.
Okay.
Basic one. I'm telling basic one, because garland and all and tying the rope as well. But where is the base? First tell me where is the base.
Sir, हमें initial line से final line पे जाना है ना, or we have to just reach to the table.
Sir, one thing can you do?
Yes. You are here. You are here. You have to call the last one. This is the last one.
Sir, can I ask the Fatta and Valli from my side, right? From the start line, means from the last person. Can I ask that also?
Yes, you can ask.
So, sir, we definitely can do one thing. Means
yes.
we can take the plank and we can place it. We can place it from the yellow base to the upper of the table, upper plate of the table, and after that, after going there.
So just tell me where. हाँ देखो ऐसे confusion होगा देखो आप even if you go in the SSB आप इस तरह से बताओगे तो other person won't be able to understand. So आपको बताना होगा कि जो यहाँ पे देखो आप तो यहाँ पर हो, जैसे लास्ट मैन यहाँ पर है और आप यहाँ पर हो, तो अदर पर्सन को आप खुद करोगे तो आप बताओ किस तरीके से, कि हमें देखना चाहिए बेस किधर है.
Can we make cantilever bridging from the yellow platform? Since we are standing in the yellow platform, only one person will be left behind the starting line. We can, from the yellow platform, we can extend the plank by placing it over the yellow platform, and we can stand on the yellow platform.
Yellow platform, because it's a yellow. Suppose yellow, you can't place a helping material first of all. So even then I am making it a white, right? For the time being, I am making it a white. right? Everyone
Okay.
mute your microphone. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask. Fine. When I'm making it, white even, so that's acceptable. You can make cantilever, right? Cantilever you can make, right? Because distance is 8 feet. Here we are taking the scale. Distance is 8 feet, right? But that is a manpower idea. But whenever the structure is given there, you have to utilize structure. Is it
So we
fine?
can place the plank over the table,
Yeah, that's
but
the
the
point.
height
Yeah,
won't. Yeah,
you can place the plank over the table. Yes.
and tie the rope at the rear end of the table along with the plank,
Yes,
or
that's fine.
either front end also is fine. No, front end
Front.
won't be applicable because the
Yes,
balancing distance won't be provided. We can tie at the
yes,
rear
yes.
end
Balance
itself.
information. Yeah, that's the right solution. From there, as Raj mentioned, we can tie it from the rear end. From the rear end, you can tie it like this. Like simple one. It's a very simple. Just like this. You can tie it.
Sir, but how the person will be able to climb this much height? Will it be the reasonable height or?
Yeah, this would be the reasonable height, around 4 feet, right? These are tables. So here, what is the case here? As Raj mentioned, because this tabletop, this is the top of the table, right? So this tabletop is acting as a base. Okay, I can wait. I will increase the height of my camera. Wait for a while. If my table is not visible, now I guess it's visible, right? Much visible. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, like this is here, this one from here to here. So this part is acting. This table is acting as the base and the place where we have tied the rope. Because when the person will come, so this will tend to go upward. ये ऊपर से मतलब ऊपर जाना चाहिए, right? इसको रोकने के लिए. So हमने इसको इतना टाइट कर दिया. So that when the person will come here, so you can, so because it is a 4 feet, right? Total 6 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet here, then the 4 feet here, and rest 4 feet. 4 feet as per the distance rule, person can cross easily. Fine, so he can cross and he can come to this platform. First solution acceptable. This is acting as this table is acting as the base, and the place we have tied it is acting as the stopper. Right? So the person will come, so it won't go upward. So this hand is restricted by this rope. Okay, fine. Okay. Whenever in the GTO, like whenever you complete the solution, then you free the structure. Then only you will get the next idea. Yes, now I am freeing the structure.
Sir,
then you can think about it.
Sir, now
Yes.
the question is who will be there to tie the rope with that on the front side of the table, on the rear side of the table will be there to tie the rope, because if there is the yellow code line, so definitely we cannot place the helping material on it. So how it will be possible?
Actually,
Even-
7 of us, like all of us reaches, but the last person is
Yes,
left,
last you did,
and
yeah,
we are
last person
standing
is
on the
there.
platform.
Yes. Okay,
Sir,
but
I
tell
got
me the
another
next
doubt.
solution. Yes.
Since we cannot step outside the platform, so if we touch our make our foot step on the ground while like
No.
tying the
Ground is out of bound area. You can't touch the ground, because that's why the platforms are given.
yes,
On the
from
platform,
platforms, is it possible to tie the rope, sir?
one person here will pass the rope, person to another platform is also here, right? So one person pass the rope to this one, we can tie at the back.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Fine. Because one person, because you are here, because every person, because if the first person can come by the simple bridging, whole person can come. But the thing is, last person, manpower is not available. So how he would come? So he have to be head there, right? So from this strategy, you will call him. So here, 2% could be here, 2% could be here, right? So with that help, you can make all these arrangements for calling this last person. When the last person will come, then here you can make the arrangement. He will go there, and from here, with the manpower, the person will come easily.
Sir,
Okay, just
but-
tell me the next way to call the last man. What is the next way?
Sir, we can do a little modification.
Yes.
Instead of tying the rope,
Mm-hmm.
we can like place a small bully, and 1 or 2% basically will hold that bully, that will act like a stopper.
Person will hold the value.
like they sir stand on the bully.
No, standing. No, manpower is not allowed. That's why the structure and helping material, they will not stand, anyone will not stand. Tell me the next one.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, small bully is not
Sir,
allowed.
we can, yes, sir.
Yes, I say. Yes.
Sir, we can make a turbine on one of the leg of the table and simply place plank with the support of that turbine to the starting line.
Turban, no, but it is a 7 feet, right? And it is a 8 feet distance. So how you will how it will cover this the distance?
No, sir, on the front leg, sir.
Whatever may be the leg. Suppose if the front leg is there, right? On this front leg, if you
Okay.
make the coiling. So still it is a
Yes.
8 feet. Bully is the 7 feet, right? So you will place the bully. So it won't come, right? Should 1 feet would be
Okay.
there. Just tell me where would be the base. Whenever you get the base, you will get the next one. Where you can make the base, right? Already Raj has made this portion as a base. Now where you can create the base.
Sir, other ways we can also make by tying the rope around the two legs, front two
Yes,
legs.
yes.
Front
Yes,
two
I
legs.
got it. Yeah, front two legs, yes. Like
Yes.
this, like if you tie it like this. This is a small rope, right? You're taking this one. Because there you will get the two ropes, single for this, single rope you will get it. So here you can. I was using smaller for more comfortable because otherwise this portion would be long and it would be extra. There you would get the subordinate. You will install the subordinate tied from here, hold from here, like this. Fine. Here you can tie like this. So this is acting as a base. This is acting as a base here, like this. And whatever the rest portion, so it should not touch the ground. So you can place it above the table. Fine. Right. And base should be above. Base should be above. And now you can easily place the flag. Like this. Like this. This rope is acting as this rope, like this rope under this is acting as the base, and tabletop because it is hitting the tabletop, it is acting as a stopper. So base is always, as I told you, base is always ahead, stopper would be at the rear end, and between the base and the stopper there would be something called balancing distance. So in this case, 1/3 of helping material plank is of 6 feet, 1/3 of it 2 feet, so 2 feet. 2 feet this one, 4 feet this one, and from here 4 feet as per the distance rule, 4 feet person can come from the start. This is the starting. Consider it's 8 feet above, right? Person can come easily to this platform. Last one. Okay. Fine. Tell me the next way till the time I'm freeing the structure.
Sir, we can simply make us as the base is white, so we can simply make a cantilever bridge here.
Cantilever bridging.
Yes, sir.
Bridging, yeah. Again, I told you, bridging. You need that help, that manpower, and for the manpower, right? When structure is available, no manpower is required. With the manpower, you can call with the simple bridging, cantilever bridging. But what is the use of the structure? There is no practical application of mine. Tell me the next way. And now, how you can create the base? For the giving you hint, Raju mentioned in the earlier to create a garland. So now how you can create it?
So in front of the table, we can create a
Yes.
garland. And we can slide the plank inside the garland. And as the same Sahil said previously, we can make use of the bottom of the table of the stopper.
Okay. Bottom of the table is stopper. Okay, fine. Got it. Now how you can make the garland? Right. For the garland, there is a one situation. Right. From the one situation, how you will go to the garland, then you just will ask your question. See, now I'm giving one situation, as Raj mentioned. Suppose this is the table. You can consider this is the table. This is the table, right? Along the length, this is the length. Along the length, right? Suppose along the length, this is like along the length, like this. Table board B. Because earlier you placed that that plank here, helping material here. Now this part has gone along the length. This part has gone B. Right? How you will call the last one? This part.
We can create another garland, but here we have to use both front and rear end. We can make
Yes.
a loop in between the table.
Yes. See how you can make it, Raj, because this portion is yellow, this portion is yellow, this portion is yellow, so you can't place that plank here, help me here. So how you can place it? With the help of garland. How to make garland? Like this, suppose I will show you. Like this you are making. Like along the length, because you will not place this one on the yellow part, but you will place alongside the yellow part, right? This is the yellow part, so you will place like this. First you make it like this, alongside the, then you will place like this, like this. So this is the garland type. So here you can place the plank like this, and from there you can take it. Like this. And now you can tie it. There you will get the subordinates, not the subordinate I would say, because this is not a command task. There you will get your team member. Sometimes it comes in the CT also command task, then you will get the subordinate. Yeah, so you can insert them gentleman type from here like this, right? And whatever the leftover portion, you just place it on the above because it should not touch the ground. This is the case. Right? Now person, this is again here this garland is acting as the base, and this below side of the table, because it will like this, it will go like this. So below side of the table is acting as the stopper. Fine. So this is the base, this is the stopper. Between the base and the stopper, there is some distance that is called balancing distance. Fine. So this is a 2 feet, which is 1/3 of helping material, and then this is a 4 feet. And now, as per the distance rule, for 4 feet, person can cross easily and can come to this platform. Acceptable. Everyone got it? How we have created the garland? Simply nothing. Just like you can also do like this. You can tie it from here like this. Just measure the distance like this. You need a garland here like this. So from here you can tie like this. You can tie like this, and just you can place it like this. And now you can insert the plank. Like this, and the rest of the portion you can place it on. Simple. Fine. Okay, next solution. Now I am giving you one more condition. Now so far we have made this portion as blue. Now we are looking along the breadth, like this portion is a blue. This portion of the table is blue. If I show you, like so far we made like along the length is a blue, or we are making along the breadth. This portion is a blue. Find this portion blue. How will you go the last one?
Sir, it's simple here. We can make the garland and we can place it on the top of the table alongside, means at the rear side of the table. And we can make a plank. And
rear side of the table you will make the person you have to call from here, not from here. How will you call it? Because along the length, so even if you place this rope, it will touch that blue color, that portion blue, and your helping material should not touch it like this.
Sir, simply, yes sir.
Place it, it's not possible because it is touching this.
So simply place the plank on that. Before that, we'll put a bully on that structure. Yes, place a bully on there. Then we place the plank. Place the plank on that. Place the plank on that.
And any bully can place it.
Yes. Now it will not touch, sir.
Acceptable, right? Why? Because this bully, when you place this bully, so now this color along the length, this yellow color, right? This yellow color got avoided, fine. So now you can, from the here, you can tie it. Just simply tie it, right? Like this. Or, and also this is possible, and one more thing, like this is like if you tie it, it's also possible.
Sir,
right?
Sir, another thing, sir, as you're tying the rope here, so we can take the plank from the below side of the top of the table.
Yes, one more solution. Wait, coming to it, as like this also you can.